If you ask the average Joe about investing, they'll probably give you a straightforward answer. But what most people don't know is that investing is a proper game, and investing smartly can turn your thousands into millions, or possibly even billions. In today's video, we'll be talking about Peter Lynch, who understood this game pretty well. Renowned as one of the best investors of all time, this guy sure is a legend. We won't keep you waiting any longer, so let's get into the video. Who is Peter Lynch? Born to a middle-class family in Massachusetts, Peter Lynch graduated from Boston College in 1965. And even as a young man in university, Lynch was already dipping his toes into the world of investment by buying 100 shares of Flying Tiger Airlines. But what gained him fame was that he served as the manager of the Magellan Fund at the prestigious investment firm Fidelity. At the young age of only 33, he took over the fund and headed it for 13 years. At the age of 46, he was able to retire in 1990 because of his accomplishments. Lynch's approach to investing has been characterized as flexible to the economic climate of the time, but he has always emphasized that you should be able to have a good understanding of what you own. Peter Lynch currently has a jaw-dropping net worth of $450 million, so let's look at his career and how he got his riches. Are you enjoying the video so far? Show your appreciation by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. And if you want more videos like this, hit the notification bell too. Now, let's continue. Lynch's investing career. Lynch made one of his first profitable investments in the Flying Tiger Air Freight Company, which enabled him to pay for graduate school. After getting his master's degree, Lynch also served in the Army from 1967 until 1969. Lynch began working full-time at Fidelity as a textile and metals analyst when he was only 25 years old. He caddied for the president of the company for 8 years, which probably helped him land the position. Networking, people, it's important. The Magellan Fund, a small but aggressive capital appreciation fund founded in 1963 that primarily held domestic investments, was taken over by Lynch in 1977. A $1,000 investment made the day Lynch took over would have grown to $28,000 the day Lynch left. Crazy, isn't it? Under his leadership, the fund outperformed the S&P 500 for all but 2 years, returning an average of 29% annually. Lynch is frequently used as an example by investors to show how active management can outperform the benchmark. Investing in what you know. Along with other stock valuation techniques preferred by value investors, Lynch is credited with creating the price-to-earnings growth, or PEG ratio. This ratio aids investors in determining if a stock is affordable considering its growth prospects. Lynch believes that by investing in what they are familiar with and by learning about a firm, its business model, and its fundamentals, individual investors can be on the path of success. Lynch is a strong proponent of long-term investing and actually favors picking businesses whose assets Wall Street has undervalued. Additionally, he believes that businesses with historically below-average price-to-earnings ratios for their sector and for the business itself have the ability to succeed. To talk in more detail about his investing strategy, Lynch has also published a number of books including One Up on Wall Street, Beating the Street, and Learn to Earn. And with that, today's video comes to a close. Share your thoughts about Peter Lynch's investment strategy in the comments down below. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.